In the tech world, a year without a release is usually a sign of trouble. But for GoPro, skipping their 2025 launch was a calculated tactical retreat. For the first time in a decade, the Hero line went dark, sparking rumors that the brand was losing its edge. However, this wasn't a surrender, it was a move to avoid the incremental update trap. GoPro is finally trading speed for massive, meaningful innovation. The yearly refresh cycle had become predictable and, frankly, boring. GoPro realized that to maintain its throne, it needed more than just a software tweak. By extending the development window for the Hero 14, they've signaled a shift toward high-impact hardware. The goal is simple: deliver a camera that makes the previous 5 models look like toys. If you've been holding out for a real upgrade, your patience is about to be rewarded. While we wait for the 2026 reveal, the Hero 13 Black remains the gold standard for rugged durability. It's a reliable workhorse for creators who demand high-level stabilization in brutal conditions. But in a market that moves at light speed, reliable isn't enough. The whispers surrounding the Hero 14 suggest a complete internal overhaul. That will redefine what we expect from a device that fits in the palm of your hand. Leaks indicate that GoPro is keeping its iconic, indestructible chassis, but with a twist. We are expecting a radical display upgrade, specifically a rear screen that pushes the bezels to the absolute limit. This provides a much larger canvas for framing shots and navigating complex menus. The challenge? Maintaining GoPro's legendary bulletproof reputation. A larger screen is beautiful, but it's also a bigger target for rocks and crashes. Underneath that familiar aluminum shell, the real revolution is brewing. For the last several generations, we've been capped at 5.3K resolution. It was a ceiling that GoPro refused to break until now. The Hero 14 is rumored to be the first in the series to cross the 8K threshold. This isn't just about pixel count, it's about providing enough raw data for creators to crop, zoom, and reframe without losing cinematic clarity. 8K video at 30 frames per second on an action cam is a massive engineering feat. For those who live in slow motion, the rumors of 6K at 120 FPS are even more exciting. This combo allows you to capture high-velocity action with incredible smoothness while retaining enough resolution for professional-grade color grading. This effectively turns a tiny action camera to a legitimate Bcam for high-end film productions. The most requested feature in GoPro history is finally coming: a 1-inch sensor. This larger physical surface area is the holy grail for image quality. It allows the camera to pull in significantly more light, solving the low-light noise issues that have plagued action cameras for years. Whether you're under a thick forest canopy or shooting in the city at midnight, the Hero 14 is built to deliver clean, grain-free footage. To manage this massive influx of data, GoPro is debuting the GP3 Silicon. This next-gen processor is the engine behind the 8K revolution. It's designed not just for raw speed, but for extreme thermal efficiency. 8,000 recording generates intense heat, but the GP3 paired with a new internal heat management architecture is engineered to keep the camera running longer without the dreaded overheating shutdown that ruins the shot. Stabilization is also reaching its final form with HyperSmooth 7.0. Instead of just smoothing out bumps, the Hero 14 will reportedly use eye-assisted framing. Imagine a camera that intelligently tracks your face and keeps you perfectly centered in the frame, even during high-impact sports. It's like having a virtual cameraman built into your software, ensuring that your most chaotic moments look like they were filmed by a pro. Battery life is no longer an afterthought. Rumors suggest a new high-density cell that offers up to 150 minutes of continuous 5.3K recording. This is a game-changer for travelers who want to leave the extra batteries at home. While GoPro is targeting its usual September launch window for this beast, the competition isn't sitting still. DJI is already preparing to strike first with a device that targets a different kind of creator.